Hello everyone. Welcome to another amazing aerial exploration video. Today, we will explore a once bustling coastal village that has now been abandoned. The village is now full of abandoned houses and deserted beaches that bear silent witness to its former glory. As you can see from this aerial view, the buildings here look deserted and neglected. Once, this village was full of life, but now there are only remnants of the past. These houses are slowly being eaten away by time, with roofs crumbling and walls rotting. Here, we get closer to houses that have been abandoned for years. Trees and wild plants are starting to take over these buildings, creating an atmosphere that is both eerie and fascinating. Each house holds a story, and we can only imagine the life that once existed here. The beach near this village used to be a favorite tourist spot for local residents and tourists. But now, the calm waves only hit the empty shoreline. This place has truly become a ghost village, with a quiet atmosphere that makes anyone shudder. The beach near this village used to be a favorite tourist spot for local residents and tourists. But now, the calm waves only hit the empty shoreline. This place is completely different from last year, with a quiet atmosphere that makes anyone shiver. Some buildings have begun to collapse, while others are still standing, although they look fragile. We can see how nature is taking over, with wild plants and beach sand creeping into these houses. There is no longer the sound of laughter or activity of the residents, only silence that accompanies this place. Coastal abrasion has truly turned this village into a dead village, as if trapped in a time that has stopped. Interestingly, although most of the houses have been abandoned, this place still has remnants of life. Some families still choose to survive here, although in a very different condition from its glory days. They live in the remaining houses on the beach, struggling against the ever-changing nature. Most of them depend on the shrimp ponds that are still operating near this village. These shrimp ponds are a source of income for a handful of people who decide to stay, even though the threat of abrasion and the loneliness of this dead village are increasingly real. Thank you for watching this aerial journey. If this video gave you new insights or perhaps touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting explorations. Leave a comment below. Does this place remind you of a village or city you visited? See you in the next video, and keep exploring with us.